Hey, what's up guys, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to protect the cells, columns, rows in your Google Sheet so only you can edit it and prevent anyone else, of course. To do that, select, for example, I will protect this D column, for example. Just right click on it and go over here, view more column actions if you have this, and go protect range. And you can add some description over here if you want. You can see the range over here, or you can protect the sheet, the whole sheet if you want. So let's protect the range and click set permissions. And restrict who can edit this range, only me. It will says only you. And click done. Okay, we protected our range. So if I go to incognito mode and paste the sharing link over here and want to change this D sheet, we have a problem. I have to ask the owner to remove the protection. I'm sorry, this is on my language because I don't know how to change it for incognito mode whatsoever. And this is it. Okay, and this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.